Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you in joining me in exploring the concept of building a sphere of love around ourselves for protection and peace. In our fast-paced world, it's essential to create mental fortresses against negativity and harmful energies. Let's delve into the practice of surrounding ourselves with vibrations of love, forming a resilient shield against negative influences. Begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, allowing your body to relax completely. Close your eyes gently, taking a few deep breaths in and out, letting go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Enter the woods. Now, visualize yourself surrounded by a radiant sphere of shimmering light, like a diamond armor. Like a diamond armor emanating from within you. This sphere represents the power of love, perfect in every way, pervading the physical, pervading the mental and spiritual planes. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, feel the warmth and strength of this sphere enveloping you, creating a safe and tranquil space where only positivity can enter. With each breath, imagine this sphere growing brighter and more expansive, extending outwards to encompass your entire being. Now, bring to mind any negative thoughts or emotions that may be weighing on you, any worries or fears that have been troubling your mind. Acknowledge them. Acknowledge them without judgment, and as you exhale, release them into the universe, allowing them to dissolve in the light of your diamond armor. With each inhale, draw in the energy of love and compassion, filling yourself with its healing presence. Feel it permeating every cell of your body, soothing away any lingering tension or discomfort. Allow yourself to bask in this feeling of unconditional love, knowing that is the most potent force in the universe. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, affirm to yourself, love is my only safe protection. With love as my shield, I am invincible against negativity and harm. Once again, love is my only safe protection. With love as my shield, I am invincible against negativity and harm. Before we exit the woods, take a few more moments to bask in the warmth of your diamond armor, feeling grateful for the peace, for the security it provides. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, slowly opening your eyes and returning to the world around you. And remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you need to reinforce your spirit of love and protection. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindfulness and self-discovery. May you carry the light of love with you always. Thank you.